Cloudera Data Science Workbench, or CDSW, is a product that enables fast, easy, and secure self-service data science for the enterprise. It allows data scientists to use their existing skills and tools, such as R, Python, and Scala, to securely run computations on data in Hadoop clusters. CDSW runs on the gateway nodes of a CDH cluster. These nodes then leverage Docker and Kubernetes to allocate resources for isolated container environments where you can run data science projects. In this video, we will walk through some basic features of the CDSW UI and demonstrate how to create and run a sample project. What you see here is the main dashboard. On this page, you can see if any sessions or jobs are currently running and get an account of the resources allocated to you. An important feature of the Cloudera Data Science Workbench is the notion of contexts. Contexts help separate your personal work from any team projects you might be working on. For example, I am currently in my personal context. Because I'm part of the documentation team, I can navigate to the doc team context to see the projects I'm working on as a part of this team. Now let's create a new project. Click New Project. Then select the context where the project must be created. Give the project a name and specify whether it is private or public. You can either start with a blank project or with a built-in template project that has some sample code to get you started. You also have the option to either upload an existing project or use Git to clone a project repo into the workbench. For this demo, we will continue with an inbuilt template project written in Python. The template project has a simple file layout with a sample Python script. To run the script, click Open Workbench. Provision the resources needed and click Launch Session. The application is now creating a secure Docker container where this project will run. As you can see, the workbench has two panes. On the left-hand side is the file editor, and on the right is an output pane with an interactive command prompt. You can use this command prompt to quickly test some command or install any more libraries that your project might need. The command prompt blinks red when it is processing and turns green when it is ready to accept input once again. Now let's run this project. Go to the top navigation bar and click Run. You will notice that the output pane displays a line-by-line rendering of the work being done by the script. If you want, you can also choose to run just specific lines of the script. The workbench also gives you terminal access to the Docker container where this session is running. You can use the terminal to check your Kerberos credentials, move project files around, or understand what resources are already available to you in the project environment. Let's go back to the workbench. Now that you've run the project, you might want to share your results with some stakeholders. Depending on your audience, you can click Collapse to hide all the code from the output. Then click Share to get a shareable link to the session output. That is the end of this demo. For more details about CDSW, please visit the documentation website.